मोबाइल गेमर्सलाई फोकस गरेर रिसेन्टली पोकोले नेपाली मार्केटमा नयाँ फोन लन्च गरेको छ which is Poco F3 GT. Hi everyone, I'm Sabina Adhikari from Gadgets in Nepal र आजको भिडियोमा चाहिँ we would be unboxing this phone. We would be talking about यसको फिचर्सहरु, यसको प्राइस and also at the end I would be sharing my initial thoughts on it. So let's get started with the video. So here we have Poco F3 GT अनि नेपालमा चाहिँ यो Indian variant मा available छ. So now let me unbox this device. So first with this phone you guys would get a user manual and this phone comes with a phone case which is pretty amazing of course. So this phone also comes with a headphone adapter which means your phone ma chai headphone jack chai hudaina. And here is the phone. So this phone also comes with Type-C cable अनि यो cable मा चाहिँ you guys would see 90° angle जसको कारणले चाहिँ तपाईले कुनै गेम्सहरु खेल्दै चार्ज गर्दा चाहिँ कुनै interruption चाहिँ हुँदैन. And also this is a very pretty shade. र अन्त्यमा चाहिँ this phone comes with a 67 watt को fast charger अनि मलाई चाहिँ यो charger हल्का चाहिँ bulky लाग्यो. Now keeping everything aside, now let's focus on the phone itself. So my first impression जब चाहिँ मैले यो फोन हातमा लिए, this phone does not feel very heavy. यसको actual weight चाहिँ 205 grams छ and if you guys see यसको thickness चाहिँ 8.3 millimeters छ which makes this phone pretty sleek and pretty slim. And if you guys see at the back, यसको back चाहिँ एकदमै intricate design छ which is very interesting and very amazing. अनि it has a very glossy finish अनि जसको कारणले चाहिँ you guys might see हल्का fingerprintहरु. Also यो फोनको build quality को कुरा गर्न पर्दा चाहिँ यसको ब्याक र यसको फ्रन्टमा गोरिल्ला ग्लास 5 आउँछ भने यसको साइड फ्रेम चाहिँ एल्युमिनियमले बनेको छ which makes this phone feel very sturdy. Also यो फोनको बडी डस्ट र स्प्ल्याश रेजिस्टेन्ट छ जसको कारणले हल्का फुल्का पानी परेमा पनि यो फोनलाई खासै केही फरक चाहिँ पार्दैन. So now let's take a look यसको पोर्ट्स र बटनहरुमा. So यो फोनको राइट साइडमा you guys would see power key which has fingerprint scanner अनि टप र बटममा you guys would see two sliders जसको कारणले चाहिँ तपाईको ट्रिगर बटन चाहिँ पप अप हुन्छ. So यो फोनको top side ma you guys would see our blaster, noise cancellation mic and a loudspeaker. And talking about isko loudspeaker, this is a very intricate and a very different and interesting design. And by the way, this phone has a dual stereo speaker which you guys would get on the top and on the bottom of the phone. On the left hand side we have volume rocker and another mic. So on the bottom side you guys would see another loudspeaker, Type-C cable, main mic and SIM card slot. And talking about SIM card slot, यो phone मा चाहिँ हजुरहरुले dual SIM राखेर use गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ, but this phone does not support SD card. Well, now let's talk about यो phone को display को बारेमा. This phone has 6.67 inch को AMOLED display with 120 Hz को refresh rate. अनि यो phone को resolution को कुरा गर्न पर्दा चाहिँ this phone has full HD plus. Also display को अरु features को कुरा गर्न पर्दा this phone supports 1 billion colors and it is also HDR10 plus certified along with 480 Hz को touch sampling rate. So यो सबै कुराहरुको बेसिसमा what we can say that is this phone can be the best choice for content consuming and gaming. So now let's talk about यो phone को camera को बारेमा. So यो phone को पछाडीपट्टि you guys would see a triple camera जसमा चाहिँ main camera is 64 megapixel, ultra wide is 8 megapixel and macro camera is 2 megapixel. र front मा चाहिँ हजुरहरुले 16 megapixel को चाहिँ selfie camera पाउनुहुन्छ. So here are some of the sample images अनि हजुरहरुलाई यो फोटोहरु कस्तो लाग्यो do make sure to mention in the comment section below. Now let's talk about यो phone को internal hardware को बारेमा. यो phone मा Dimensity 1200 processor आउँछ जुन चाहिँ MediaTek को flagship processor हो. Also यो processor 6 nanometer architecture मा based छ जसले चाहिँ यो processor लाई एकदमै power efficient चाहिँ बनाउँछ. र graphics मा यो phone मा you guys would get Mali G77 GPU र यो phone ले PUBG mobile game लाई 60 FPS सम्म support गर्छ. Software को कुरा गर्न पर्दा this phone has Android version 11 with MIUI 12.5 skin on top. So talking about यो phone को battery को बारेमा, this phone has 5065 mAh को battery which supports 67 watt को fast charging which means यो phone चाहिँ within an hour full charge हुन्छ. So at the end let's talk about यो phone को price र color variant. So यो phone चाहिँ नेपालमा एउटा मात्र variant मा available छ which is 8GB RAM along with 256GB internal storage जसको price चाहिँ 56,999 रहेको छ र यो phone चाहिँ दुईटा shade मा available छ which is black and gunmetal silver. Talking about मेरो first impression on this phone is यो phone look wise र in hand feel चाहिँ एकदमै राम्रो र एकदमै sturdy feel हुन्छ. Also during our short time use of this phone we didn't found any lags अनि यसको UI पनि हामीलाई एकदमै smooth feel भयो. र यो phone को in depth review चाहिँ हामी very soon हाम्रो YouTube channel मा upload गर्ने छौं. So make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell. Till then stay safe. Bye bye.